In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 mini, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select the browser that you are using. Here's Safari, so you most probably use Safari, but if you do have some other browser, smoothly open it, and then locate clear history and website data. Smoothly mark it, and if you truly want to perform this operation, just tap on clear history and website data. And that's it. As you can see, the window is not active, which means that you've just removed all the history and website data. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.